The talk on the street, a rising tide looks set to lift all boats. Nifty is poised to advance as bulls pick up the positive baton from strong overnight cues on Wall Street, setting the stage for an upbeat start to the session. Our call of the day: Nifty may enjoy a strong session as the markets are looking past the AI panic. Concerns over AI disruption have dissipated a bit after Nifty IT index rebounded 1.6% in yesterday's trade following a strong rally in global technology shares. Sentiment improved after Anthropic said it plans to build partnerships around its Claude technology, easing concerns that its AI tools could displace existing business models rather than integrate with them. Long story short, it's likely to be up again for benchmark Nifty. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 20 to 92 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 5119 crores. Sentiments are likely to be super bullish mode for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive rebound play. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 13.49 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, was hovering near the 91.08 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.31 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 1.08. Nifty outlook: the bulls are likely to be everywhere with aggressive interweek targets at Nifty 26,000 mark. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5483. Biggest support for Nifty is now placed at 25,329 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,885 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,400 and 25700. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 8276. Biggest support for Sensex is now placed only at 81,900 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,100 to 83,100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 61043. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 60,562 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 61,765 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 60,900 and 62,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The good news: Nifty has displayed notable resilience, absorbing concerns around AI-driven disruption in software and automation, while also taking Trump's tariff moves largely in stride. Though the index remains marginally underwater for the week, the damage is limited, and just a sprinkle of positive triggers could comfortably push the benchmark back into the green before the week wraps up. Stocks in spotlight. 1. IRFC, minus 4.46%, 104 rupees. 56. IRFC's stock price has hit a two-year low on reports that the government will offload up to a 4% stake via OFS at a floor price of 104 rupee per share. The base issue, 2%, plus Greenshoe could raise till the 400 crore, with institutional bidding on Wednesday and retail on Thursday. 2. Dr. Reddy's, plus 0.48%, 1,307 rupees. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is likely to launch its generic semaglutide injection in the country in March under the brand name Obeda. 3. Tata Consultancy Services, plus 2.16%, 2,629 rupees. TCS, India's largest IT services company, wants employees to proactively use artificial intelligence, AI, even if it means cannibalizing revenue streams. 4. Green energy stocks such as Vari Energies, minus 10.53%, and Premier Energies, minus 6.13%, received drubbing after the U.S. imposed preliminary duties of 126% on Indian solar imports, a move that could weigh on export outlook and near-term sentiment in the sector. 5. KEC International, plus 0.05%, 591 rupees. KEC International has secured fresh orders worth 1,002 crore rupees across transmission and distribution and cables and conductors businesses, including domestic and international projects, reinforcing order book visibility. 6. 197 Communications, Paytm, plus 0.13%, 1,133 rupees. Launched Paytm Silver, allowing users to invest in silver via its app starting at 20 rupees, positioning it as a disciplined microsavings tool. The move builds on strong traction in Paytm Gold and expands its digital wealth offerings. 7. Schaeffler India, plus 4.40%, 4,250 rupees. Reported a strong Q4 CY24 performance with standalone net profit rising 32% YoY to 327.96 crore rupees and revenue up 27% YoY to 2,643 crore rupees, reflecting healthy demand momentum across segments.